think electrical contractors, some of the challenges that they face, it's really easy to go and open a business and start a business. There's no real area where they can be trained and developed on what to expect as they go through growing a business. We provide a monthly workshop in which it allows the business owner or the leader to come in and learn about a specific topic. It's a bit like a gym where you go to get fit, physically fit, that if you're prepared to put the effort in, you can be relatively comfortable with what the result is on the other side of that. I mean, in reality what we're trying to do is just lift the mind above the waterline and look out a little bit further where they're able to understand where they want to go. One of the greatest enablers to growth is not just necessarily growing in the areas they know they want to grow, is learning that some of those unknown areas that they haven't been exposed to, haven't heard of, become visible, and then they're able to predict and deal with that. The program's quite visible, it's very transparent as to what it entails. It is an investment in time for the health of you and your business. If you look at 2 hours over a month in terms of the investment, it's a small investment of time to ensure that you are sustainably growing in the right way and achieving the things that you want to achieve with your business. So go to masterelectricians.com.au/business coaching to find out more.